This is how you can create a Deriv account and start trading synthetic indices and other assets on the app and on your MT5 platform. So to start, click on the drop down menu over there and go to the video description. Click on the link, and the link is going to bring you to a website like this. Now on this website, the first thing that you want to do is to select your country of residence. I'm in Ghana, so obviously I'm going to pick Ghana among this list of countries available over here, right? So Ghana has been selected over here. The next thing for me to do is to go ahead and enter my email account. So now I'm going to use a random email over here, and after putting the email over there, I'm going to click on sign up. All right, so once this page loads like this is what you're going to see. Check your email. We've sent a link to your email. So the link that you received, that's the link you are going to follow to continue your registration. So right now, let me go straight to my inbox and pick up the email over there. Then we go ahead. So where is the verification link? Now, this is the link you're going to see in your email. So you just have to tap on it. Now, take notes. This verification email is verified for, it varies from an individual to an individual. So your own will not be the same as my own. But you just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will load and bring you to the next page for you to continue filling in your details. And take note, once you reach this particular side, make sure your details are very, very accurate. I'm going to go ahead and select Ghana since I'm in Ghana. Then I'll generate a random password for now. So this is just a tutorial. Let me see if I can generate a random password. So yeah, let me go ahead and tap on create password. Now, once this is done, the next thing that you can do is actually just tap on complete my profile, right? That is the next step you have to go to actually start trading with the real money. That's the next step you have to go. But for now, I already have my account. So even if I go there right now, I don't have to fill in my specific details like my address, my name, and other stuff like that. I don't have to fill in over there. Yeah, but I'm just going to tap on it to show you what is there so that when you get there, you know how to fill it, right? So I'm just going to tap on complete my profile. So over here, I advise you select the currency to be US dollar, right? So once you select the currency, the next page that will open is what? You fill in your name. Like I said, your name and all the details. So let's assume my first name is John, right? And my last name is Serene. That's just an assumption. But take note of what is here. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your identity document. That's what I'm saying is very important over here. All the name that you are going to enter over here should be the same name on your ID card. All right. If not, you are going to face a problem at the end of the day. Right. I'm going to tap on next and let's see what comes up. Date of birth. Yeah. Most of this platform, they allow you to be at least 18 years and above before you create an account. So yeah, you know what to do over here. So on the day, I'm going to select, let's say 9th, and I'm going to change this to, let's say 2000. All right. Of course, I'm not 2000 born. So I'm going to tap on next again, and we fill in other details. Place of birth and phone number. Phone number, I don't use my phone number over here, so I'm going to enter a random number over here. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes, okay? 55316. Let me see. This is okay. Let me two more. All right. So let's assume that's my number. I just hope they wouldn't send any message to the number, because if they send it, I don't know whose number is that. Tap it on next. Let's see the next step. Select your account purpose. All right. What's the purpose for opening the account? All right. So I selected additional revenue. That's why I'm creating the account. Now, employment details. Select your employment status: full-time employed, or you are part-time employed, pension, or self-employed or unemployed. I'm going to select self-employed for now. So employment details, country of tax residential, Ghana. That's optional. And also you have to enter your tax identification number, though it is optional, but then you can just enter your Ghana card number over here. Okay, it is optional, but then you can enter your Ghana card number over here. That's if you are in Ghana. And for any other country, you use the tax the you use the document number that you use in your country as your tax identification number. All right, it's optional though. So after that, you click on next, and let's see what comes here. Now this is where it is most important over here. This is the most important part, because if you're not able to do this part so well, it may cause you a lot of stress in the future. So the address, this first part, whatever you are going to enter into the address bar over here, it should be the location you are. Example, let's assume you are in, which location should I use? Let's assume you are in Accra. All right. Example, yeah. Oh, let me not make it Accra. Let's say you are at uh okay, Teshi. All right, Teshi. That's the address. Now the town or city. City, we're going to give it Accra. Accra is the city. Now you can select the states, province. This is optional, but then if you click on it, you see the option dropping. Now the place I entered is in Greater Accra region, so I'll select the Greater Accra. That's for Ghana. All right, and also we have the postal zip code. It is optional. You can ignore it. So what I want you to pick over here is the address over here, because you need to verify your address later, and I'm going to show you how to do that, but in a different video. So stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on notification. Once I upload that video, you get to know, right? So once you enter this address correctly, just tap on next. And terms of use, jurisdiction, and choice of law. Your account will be open with Deriv SVG LLC and will be subject to the laws of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. All right. So you have to be aware of the risk warning of forex trading and other instrument trading like CFDs. It's of the fact that they are risky stuff. So you have to be aware. So that's why they have to bring the risk warning over here. All right. So the FATCA declaration, I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. So yes, I'm not. And real accounts are not available to politically exposed person, PEPs. So a politically exposed person is someone appointed with prominent public position. Close associates and family members of are also not, considered to be. Are also considered to be politically exposed person, right? So yes, I'm not a politically exposed person, and I've agreed to the terms and conditions. Now from here, you are good to go. Just tap on create account, and guys, you are good to go. Now, I also want to show you how to link your account to your MT5 and stuff like that. All right. Good. So now your account has been created. You have a USD wallet that you can deposit money into. All right. And if you don't know how to deposit money and stuff like that too, you can actually request, and I'll make a video on that for you. All right. So I'll do that later. Tap on later. So this is my account. The account over here right now, it's just a real account. All right, a real account, and there is nothing in it. Now that is not all. The next step that you have to do is to select the type of account that you want to trade with. All right, so when it comes to selecting the type of accounts, MT5 account that you want to use, this is the one I suggest over here, which is a standard one. So just tap on it. All right, because this standard one, it allows you to trade both synthetic indices and forex pairs. That's the best one. So over here, so let's just create a password. All right, by clicking set our password, I've accept Deriv SVG LLC terms. So yes, I'll just tap on set our password, and let's see what comes up. Deriv, your MT5 account is ready. That's it. So right now I can just deposit and proceed with whatever I want to do. So these are the login details that you need to use. Now, to proceed to the next phase, you need to have this MetaTrader 5 app. That's what we are going to log in, right? So I'm going to copy the login ID over here, as you can see at the bottom over here. I'm going to copy it. And what you also have to take note of is this server, Deriv SVG server 03. and the broker name Deriv SVG Now let me go to my MT5 account and show you how to connect it right away. This was a trade I took earlier, and this is the second position that is still running. It's in a profit of $29, and the first profit I closed is $24 over there. Now let me show you how to actually connect your your account that you've already created right away. So when you come here, you find a place to where you'll be asked to find a broker. All right, you tap on connect account and you'll be asked to find a broker. You just have to type inside over here, all right, Deriv. Once you type Deriv, you see that options start coming up, like different options will start coming up. But don't forget that when we were checking, the one that was given to us with what? Deriv SVG So it depends on the one that you'll be given. That's the one you have to use. Somebody can be giving Deriv.com Limited. Somebody can be giving Deriv V Ltd. Somebody can be giving anything at all, right? But the one that we were given is what? Deriv SVG. All right, this particular one. So we are going to select it. Once we select it, we are going to come here where they say log into an existing account. So the login I've copied, I'll paste it over here. The password, what is the password? We set the password to be something like this. Then last one over here. Then when it comes here, our Deriv server was what? Deriv server, Deriv SVG server 03. I believe you can all see it over here. Let me go back to it. This is it. Okay, Deriv server, Deriv SVG server 03. So that's the one we are going to use over here. And once we've entered everything, we are going to hit on login. So it is connecting right now. Let's see how it goes. Good. So it has connected successfully, and you can see the name I used, SERENE. That's the name I used over there when I was creating the account. And the money in the account right now, it's $0 because I've not made any deposit in it yet. So to start trading, you need to deposit into the account. And if you don't know how to make a deposit, you can let me know and I'll teach you how to do that. So let's assume you've made a deposit into the account and you want to start trading, just have to come into the quotes over here where you can see different assets already, displayed over here for you. But depending on the one that you want to use, you can just tap on the plus icon over here, then select the one that you want to use. Let's assume I want to trade gold. The symbol for gold is SAU, then USD. That's the gold against the United States dollar, right? So this is it over here. I will just tap on the plus sign and it will be added to my list. And let's assume I want to trade GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's assume I want to trade this. I'll just search for it and also tap on the plus sign to add it to my symbol. So now if I go to the quote and I scroll down, let me close this for now. And scroll down, you can see I have gold over here and I have GBP/USD over there. So I can just tap on any of them and tap on chart. Then it will open up over here for me. Then I can do my analysis and decide to take a trade on them, provided I've made a deposit into my account. Right now, there's no money in my account, so it is 0. So basically, that is how it is. In my next video, I'll make a tutorial on how you can actually verify your account. All right, I mean the proof of address. There's an easy way you can do it. I'm going to make a video on that. So make sure you subscribe and also turn on notification and be part of this family. I'll soon make out a course available to teach all newbies on this channel who probably don't know how to trade. I'll make a course available to take you through how to do it. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.